This is a brand new 2015 Chrysler 300. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, voice recognition, the Uconnect infotainment system, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, side curtain airbags, child safety seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an energy-absorbing steering column, a push-button ignition, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Kendall Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram is located at 13355 Southwest 137th Avenue in Miami. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.